a journey of hope, healing, and faith. As we reach the end of this guide, it's important to remember that the journey to restore the senses of taste and smell is one of patience, perseverance, and hope. The path may not always be straightforward, and the pace of recovery can vary greatly from person to person. However, it's crucial not to give up. Each step you take, every remedy you try, brings with it a possibility of healing and improvement. Embrace experimentation with caution. In your quest for recovery, be open to experimenting with the various foods, supplements, and herbs discussed. However, always approach this experimentation with caution and mindfulness. Listen to your body and be aware of how it responds to different remedies. It's a delicate balance between trying new methods and ensuring they do no harm. Drawing strength from faith. For many, faith plays a profound role in the healing process. Turning to spiritual beliefs can provide comfort, strength, and a sense of peace during challenging times. If faith is a part of your journey, let it be a source of support and encouragement. From the Bible, we find strength in the words of the prophet. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Isaiah 40:31. This verse reminds us that in placing our hope and trust in God, we find renewed strength and resilience. In Jewish wisdom, there's a saying, Gam ze yavur, Gam ze yavor. This too shall pass. It's a reminder that no condition is permanent, and in the flux of time, there is always a possibility for change and healing. Prayer as a pillar of healing. Prayer can be a powerful tool in your healing journey. It can be a source of comfort, a way to find inner peace, and a means to connect with a higher power. In moments of prayer, you may find the strength to face the challenges and the courage to continue on your path to recovery. The journey to regain your senses of taste and smell is as much a physical journey as it is a spiritual and emotional one. Be patient with yourself, stay hopeful, and keep exploring the myriad of options available to you. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Alongside the remedies and practices, let your faith, whether in God or in the strength of your own spirit, be your guiding light. With time, perseverance, and a little faith, the path to recovery can lead to a renewed appreciation for the simple joys of life.
Would you like to become the healer of your home and your community and create a profitable online health coaching business? Are you interested in becoming a health coach, a naturopath, an herbalist, or a nutritionist? Do you need help finding the right program for studying holistic health and healing? Or perhaps you already have certification, but you're still not confident enough in healing people and don't know how to build a business that will empower you to have an impact and allow you to leave your regular day job. Are you ready to get a deep and comprehensive picture of holistic health and healing and learn from top healers in our day so that you can stop being stuck in a job or a career you don't have a passion for? Heal yourself and others without the need for pharmaceutical drugs with harmful side effects, doctors, or even dentists. Become more knowledgeable about holistic health and healing than most medical doctors who have graduated from medical school without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of time in expensive medical schools or programs. Build a health coaching business that will allow you to work from home and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Arukah.com empowers people to become the healers of their home and their community by equipping them with naturopathic herbalism, health coaching, and online business and marketing skills. My name is Mayim. I'm 42 years old and a homeschool mom of 7 beautiful children. These 2 in the photo are my October babies. I became a naturopathic herbalist and health coach in order to take charge of my family's health when the modern medical system kept failing us. We were spending thousands of dollars on insurance and other medical expenses, but they did not have any answers for our health problems. Working from home has been such a blessing for us. I used to work at the NASA Ames Research Center as a computer scientist/engineer. But being able to have an online business has enabled me to surpass my income at NASA and to be there for my family, homeschool them, take care of them, watch them grow up every step of the way for 18 years now. I started Arukah.com in 2009 to help people become healthy and heal themselves. I've coached all sorts of people, and eventually even medical doctors and nurses started coming to me repeatedly for help for various health issues for themselves or their loved ones. I help people heal themselves of serious diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure, diabetes, as well as other common issues such as hormone imbalances, abnormal bleeding, migraines, eczema, kidney stones, gallstones, cataracts, and even urinary tract infection. Various people began asking me to start teaching what I know about holistic health and healing, including 2 medical doctors who have become very good friends of mine. When I realized that there was such a demand for the knowledge I have that even medical doctors were telling me to teach, I shifted the focus of Arukah.com, and now we teach people how to become confident healers through our naturopathic herbalist and health coach certification program. We help people become healers of their home and community and create profitable online health coaching businesses. If you're interested in becoming a holistic healer, please visit our website, Arukah.com, ARUKAH.com. Again, that's ARUKAH.com. Hope to see you there.